Tired of the same old South Pacific itinerary? Ditch the typical Bora Bora Moorea route and discover the real heart of French Polynesia. Today we are in Tahiti. I'm going to show you some of the top things to do here and why you should spend at least 2 to 3 days here in Tahiti. So let's get into it. Alright, we are here at the world famous Teahupo'o, site of the Olympic surfing this year. So let's go check it out. Located in the southernmost point of Tahiti, this has been on my bucket list forever. It was an absolute amazing experience to see where some of the biggest waves in the world are ridden. Definitely worth the drive. Come check it out. Just pulled off on the side of the road. We are at Grotte De Maraa. It's like an open cave with like a swimming hole, but unfortunately you can't swim in there. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go check it out. Next up, we're going to check out a few waterfalls, starting with the Vaiava water gardens. It's a short walk to the waterfall, free entry, beautiful gardens. What more can you ask for? Next up, we're heading to the Whaurumai waterfall. It's also a short hike to the waterfall. It's a lot larger. Definitely don't miss this one. Alright, we are here in Tahiti. First stop, the Venus Lighthouse. Tahiti has no shortage of beautiful beaches. From black sand to white sand beaches, it has it all. One of my favorite beaches is the black sand beach right next to the Venus Lighthouse. If you're looking for the best beach in Tahiti, PK18 Vaiava Beach might be the one. White sand, crystal clear water, family friendly. Come check it out. We are here at the Papeete Market. We just came to pick up some fruit and some food. Got some soursop, some passion fruit, got some poisson cru. The prices here are a lot cheaper than Bora Bora, Moorea, and there's so much variety. We're here on a Saturday. This is one of my favorite markets I have ever been to. They have absolutely everything here. I'm gonna give you a quick price breakdown. We got a pork plate, that was 600 francs. We got the poisson cru, that was 600 francs. We got a kilo of papaya, a bag of star fruit, and a kilo of soursop. Those were each 500. The market opens bright and early just about every day, so definitely worth a visit. While Tahiti doesn't get the same shine as Bora Bora or Moorea, it is definitely worth a visit. I recommend at least 2 days here just so you get a feel for the culture, check out the black sand beaches and waterfalls. And we can't forget about the Papeete Market. If you're coming to French Polynesia, you're looking for some travel guides, click the link at the end of the video. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.